Hello my dear children, I am going to continue my this chapter carboxylic acids. In my previous lecture, I have already discussed about the what are carboxylic acids, what are the methods for the preparation of carboxylic acids, what are the physical properties of carboxylic acids, and what is the acidic nature of carboxylic acid, and how does acidic nature of carboxylic acids gets affected due to presence of electron withdrawing group and electron donating group, etc. Now I am going to continue some chemical reactions given by carboxylic acids. Which type of chemical reactions shown by carboxylic acids? In this topic, I am discussing few chemical reactions which are shown by carboxylic acids, and these are, first one is esterification. Esterification. What is esterification? Esterification means formation of ester. Formation of ester is called esterification. When carboxylic acid reacts with alcohol in presence of H2SO4, they form ester and water. This reaction is known as esterification. For example, CH3COOH is an acetic acid and C2H5OH is ethanol. In presence of H2SO4, it forms CH3COOC2H5 plus H2O. This one is ethyl acetate, or you can say ethyl ethanoate. This is a type of ester. You know that in class 10th you have already read esters have fruity smell. This is also an ester because COO contains two alkyl groups. This is called esterification. Second number, formation of anhydride. What is anhydride? The compound formed by removal of water. When water is removed from two molecules of carboxylic acids, then the product obtained is called acid anhydride. See here, RCOOH. Another molecule of RCOOH in presence of phosphorus pentoxide or H2SO4 loses one molecule of water like this and form RCO, and H2O is released. You can write this formula in the form of this structure, RCO twice O. This is known as acid anhydride. Okay. Two molecules of carboxylic acids loses one molecule of water and form acid anhydride. This is called dehydration, or you can say formation of anhydride. We take an example by removing alkyl group with CH3, CH3COOH, CH3COOH, two molecules of ethanoic acid in presence of P2O5 or H2SO4. They are dehydrating agent. Any of them compound P2O5 or H2SO4 can be used as dehydrating agent, which loses one molecule of water and form H2O is released from this compound and it forms CH3CO, and here also CH3CO with O, and H2O is released. This one is known as ethanoic anhydride, or you can say acetic anhydride. This one is acetic acid or ethanoic acid. On the basis of its name, this product is called ethanoic anhydride or acetic anhydride. These are the products. Next, third chemical reaction shown by carboxylic acids is the reaction with some phosphorus halides. Now come to third reaction shown by carboxylic acids, reaction with PCl3 phosphorus trichloride, PCl5 phosphorus pentachloride, and SOCl2. This one is thionyl chloride. See here, RCOOH, 3 molecules of carboxylic acid on reaction with PCl5 losses OH from carboxylic acid and form RCOCl. This one is acid chloride. OH is replaced by chlorine atom and it forms H3PO3. This one is phosphorus acid or orthophosphorus acid. RCOOH, this carboxylic acid on reaction with PCl5 gives RCOCl. This OH is replaced by chlorine atom and POCl3 and HCl is released. This one is phosphoryl chloride. This RCOOH on reaction with SOCl2. What is SOCl2? SOCl2 is thionyl chloride. Forms RCOCl. This OH is replaced by chlorine atom and SO2 and HCl. These are same acid chloride. Means carboxylic acid on reaction with PCl3, PCl5 or SOCl2 gives acid chloride, same product. And the subsidiary products are different, depends on this compound. But the main product is same in all these reactions. Okay? These are about the reaction of phosphorus halides. Now fourth, I am going to explain reaction with ammonia. What are the reactions shown by carboxylic acid with ammonia? Fourth property. Reaction with ammonia. NH3. Carboxylic acids on reaction with ammonia first of all form ammonium carboxylate, which on heating, this one is unstable intermediate product. RCOONH4. This NH3 combines with this hydrogen atom to form RCOONH4, ammonium carboxylate. And then H2O is released, H2 from here and O from here to form RCONH2. And this RCONH2 is amide, acid amide. If we take example here like CS3COOH with ammonia forms, this one is acetic acid with ammonia forms CS3COONH4. This one is known as ammonium acetate, and this ammonium acetate on heating losses water and releases H2O and forms CS3CONH2. This one is acetamide. Acetamide is formed. This, if we take aromatic carboxylic acid like COOH, benzoic acid, then benzoic acid on reaction with ammonia forms ammonium benzoate, COONH4. This one is ammonium benzoate, and this ammonium benzoate on heating losses H2O to form CONH2. This one is benzamide. Like this. Means you can say carboxylic acid with ammonia forms an intermediate product which losses one molecule of water and form acid amide, or you can say amides. like this. If we take one more example here, this one is COOH on two adjacent carbon atoms. This one is known as phthalic acid. Phthalic acid, it is type of dicarboxylic acid which is known as phthalic acid. This compound on reaction with ammonia forms this product NH4 COONH4 ammonium phthalate, which loses water on heating. Two molecules of water are released to form phthalimide CONH2 CONH2 phthalimide. This phthalimide again releases ammonia gas NH3, NH2 and H from here, NH3, to form this product CO. Here also CO, and here if NH3 is released, then NH left, NH remains as such. This takes place only in dicarboxylic acids. If COOH are present adjacent to each other, then this reaction takes place. And if carboxylic acids are on different carbon atoms, not adjacent to each other, then this reaction is not possible. Okay? And in monocarboxylic acid, this reaction is not possible. Okay? This reaction stops till this compound. But if CONH2 are adjacent to each other, then they loses ammonia also and form this compound. This is a secondary amine. This is about the fourth property shown by carboxylic acids. Now fifth reaction shown by carboxylic acid is reduction. Fifth property shown by carboxylic acid is reduction. Oxidation does not take place by carboxylic acids. Oxidation reactions not shown by carboxylic acids, but reduction takes place. Reduction RCOOH, these carboxylic acids directly reduce to form RCH2OH, means primary alcohol is formed in presence of lithium aluminium hydride. This carboxylic acid get reduced in presence of lithium aluminium hydride to form primary alcohol. Okay. Now I am going to explain another property, Kolbe's electrolysis. This is the reaction shown by sodium salts of carboxylic acids. And in this reaction, alkanes are the main product. RCOONA. This one is sodium carboxylate. Sodium carboxylate like CH3COONA plus NaOH and CaO, means this one is soda lime. In presence of soda lime, on heating they form RH. What is RH? RH is alkane. This reaction you had already discussed in class 11th in the chapter alkane. This reaction is used for the preparation of alkane and sodium carbonate is released. Methane is formed and sodium carbonate is released. This one is sodium acetate. Sodium acetate on reaction with soda lime gives methane. This is the reaction shown by sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Next, seventh one is a very important reaction shown by those carboxylic acids which have alpha hydrogen. This one is known as HVZ reaction. A very important reaction shown by those carboxylic acids which have alpha hydrogen. What is alpha hydrogen? This one. This is alpha carbon and these are alpha hydrogens. This reaction is not shown by this compound. This reaction is not shown by this compound. Okay, shown by this compound CH3 CH2 COOH. This compound also gives this reaction due to presence of alpha carbon and alpha hydrogen. I want to take this compound CH3 CH2 COOH. This one is alpha carbon, this one is beta carbon. No matter for beta carbon, this is due to presence of alpha carbon. This compound reacts with chlorine or bromine in presence of red phosphorus. See here what are the conditions for this reaction going to take place. Presence of alpha hydrogen and presence of red phosphorus. In presence of red phosphorus, chlorine or bromine, no any other halogen gives this reaction. Only chlorine and bromine gives this reaction. This chlorine reacts with this alpha hydrogen of carboxylic acid and alpha hydrogen is replaced by halogen atom and form alpha chloropropanoic acid. This one is propanoic acid, and due to replacement of chlorine atom, this is known as alpha chloropropanoic acid, and again it reacts with chlorine in presence of red phosphorus, and another alpha hydrogen also gets replaced by chlorine atom, and this will be the final product. This is known as alpha dichloropropanoic acid. All the hydrogen atoms, all the alpha hydrogen atoms are replaced by chlorine atom to give final product. If 3 hydrogen atoms are present, then all the 3 hydrogen atoms are replaced by chlorine or bromine in presence of red phosphorus. This is known as HVZ reaction. What is the meant by HVZ? HVZ is the name of 3 scientists, Hell, Vollard, Zielinski. Hell-Vollard-Zielinski reaction, HVZ reaction. Okay. Now in last topic, I am going to discuss about substitution reactions shown by aromatic carboxylic acid, means you can say benzoic acid. Benzoic acid gives some reactions. 8(1) substitution reactions. Substitution in benzene ring. See here, this one is benzoic acid, and this benzoic acid is meta substituted product. Functional group. It gives meta substituted product on nitration in presence of H2SO4 on reaction with nitric acid. It forms meta-nitrobenzoic acid. Meta hydrogen is replaced by nitro group, and this one is meta-nitrobenzoic acid. And this benzoic acid on reaction with Br2 in presence of iron catalyst forms meta-bromobenzoic acid. These are all about the carboxylic acid. Okay, thank you.